So this is easily my 20th time trying to film this intro. This video is going to be about my Marley twist. I am protective styling until it warms up in Nebraska because the air has been very dry and damaging to my hair. I used about 5 packs of the Bobbi Jamaican braiding hair with about 2 strands per twist in my hair, and I used the invisible root braiding method to do this style. So here I'm just showing you why I prefer to use the invisible root method. It just looks more natural and it makes the Marley hair look like it's coming straight from my scalp. So before we get started, I'm just going to show you the products that I use. That spray bottle is filled with water. For moisture, I used the coconut curling cream from Cantu. And the gel that I'm going to be using is the Dark and Lovely Let's Jam Protein and Shine Mega Hold Gel. So first I'm going to dampen my section of hair. Then I'm going to rake some curl cream throughout my hair, making sure I coat my ends. Then I'm going to get some gel and make sure I rake that throughout my hair. And after I've coated my hair with the gel, I'm going to split that section of hair into 2 pieces. So I can get back to spitting like a renegade. That was delicious. Now I'm feeling replenished back to being a... So to do the invisible root method, I'm going to take my Marley hair and I'm going to line the 2 pieces up with my hair, and one side I'm going to coil around my finger. And after I coil it around my finger, I'm going to bring the other side across, and I'm going to coil that piece as I'm twisting down the length of my hair. It's really important to make sure you're coiling your hair with the Marley hair as you're twisting each time to ensure that your hair blends in with the Marley hair. So Marley twists are my go-to protective style. They're easy to learn how to do. There are so many videos on YouTube to learn how to do the invisible root method. They don't take as long to do. They easily range from 3 to 5 hours depending on the size and how you're styling them. The only con would be that Marley hair is very dry and itchy. You definitely need to soak it beforehand in apple cider vinegar, and it is also very important to make sure that you use a heavier curl cream. Like I said before, the air in Nebraska is very drying to my hair, so I would like to keep these in for as long as possible. Usually I touch up my hairline every 2 weeks, and normally I keep them in for about 2 months. So here is another look at me installing another twist. Here I am splitting my hair into 2 pieces and adding that piece of Marley hair, and then I'm going to coil my hair around that. After coiling it, I'm going to bring the other piece across and start to twist and coil down the length of my hair. And like I said before, it's really important to make sure that you are coiling your hair with every twist. And that is how I get my Marley twist. I just wanted to do a quick, straightforward video. Like I said, I'll be keeping these in for a couple of months. And hopefully I actually keep up with making videos like I said I was going to be. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.